my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you're new here, welcome, and welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, to like this video, comment down below, and share it with your friends and your family. I would really appreciate that a lot. And if you're my day one, welcome back, my loves. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I really appreciate the love and the support that you guys have been showing me. And also share this video with your friends and your family. Let them know to come watch and subscribe. But today's Tuesday, the 4th of July. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I love you guys so much. I appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have been showing me by liking, watching, the comments. Love it. For it, this is going to be a very short vlog. Let's go do my nails. So I'm all dressed. I am ready to go. I'm just looking for a chewing gum. Found it. So let's go and do my nails, right? I am so late for my appointment. Oh gosh, I'm nervous about driving this car. Wonder, does it even have a Bluetooth? Oh, I've never driven this car. The way I am so nervous. How do you even put reverse in this car? That can't be reverse. That's 5. Oh my goodness, did something. Okay, that should be 3, 4, 2. Woohoo! How do we put? It's not the same. It can't be the same. Okay, let's call my husband. Because there's no way we're gonna get this right. Yo, she called me already. Oh no. Baby, how are you? Baby, how do you put your reverse motor? Hello?
Yes, baby.
How do you put your reverse motor?
I'm an reverse.
How do you put your reverse motor?
Jonga, unento oyinatsikayo.
Oyithini? Hello?
Ayizelo ngathi ufaka u1. Uyaphezulu ne konke ujonga. Bengathi unyusa umunwe ujonga.
Okay, baby. Diyayibona ke ngoku.
Uyazelo ngathi ufaka u1 ku reverse lo.
So ndinyusa lanto. Okay. Yo, baby. Okay, baby. Bye. I think I made it. Yep. We made it. Color gate overlonger completely. Or is it me? This car. Funny. I am not scared with my husband's car. But this one is giving me a lost straw. I have so much anxiety. Okay, we've made it. We are fine. And we are late. I want to show you guys what my husband was talking about. It did not make sense at all what he was talking about to me. But we are here, baby girl. Oh my goodness. Made it out of the house. Scary. It's actually my first time driving this car by myself. Baby boy, where you going? Ooh. So let's go, baby boy. Let's go, baby boy. Hi, my loves. I just thought I should just pop in. I actually was against uploading this vlog, just a quick disclaimer, because there's not a lot of footage and I felt like I was all over the place. But you know what, you build while you grow, right? So that's why I'm uploading it. Oh, I could not even do figure out how to play music in this car because baby girl is the first time driving it by herself. It is important for me to upload quality content, but I don't want to sell you guys dreams, so I wanted to show you my reality. Not even sure if you guys have put you guys on a right. But with that being said, it is important for me to like plan, which I see that I do kind of lack, like planning my vlogs and have a kind of sequence. And my nail person shame, I was supposed to be there around I was supposed to be there at 10 past. I don't think it's still 10 past. Ooh, not these robots. Anyway, let's be law-abiding citizens. I still want to commit myself in giving you guys quality context in my vlogs. So this will be the last vlog that I will do that is not planned. I actually do not know how to actually lock this car. Okay, got it. I hope I have my driver's license with me actually. I do not want to stop, honestly. At this point, I can actually get used to this car, but it's honestly my first time driving it this long. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you so much, my loves, for bearing with me. It's gonna be better from now on. The time I drove it with my I'm gonna have to stop. I want to plan my vlogs better so that the quality of the pictures and the sound matches the context of my vlogs. I'm on gear 1 already, so it's just a matter of balancing the clutch. If you are watching until this far, please comment in the comment section what would you suggest for me to improve the quality of my vlogs. Come on, baby girl, I'm gonna do this. This is a community and I would love to hear the people that actually consume my content, what they think. Here we go. See? Here we go. I would appreciate your constructive criticism, my loves. So yeah, this was me now going to do my nails. Like I said, this was me arriving where I do my nails. I do stay in the Ekuruleng, so I have a specific person that I go to do my nails to. Never been so nervous to drive a car. Hi! Oh, we made it! Guys, this is how you put the reverse in the car, because I know I promised you guys that I will show you guys what my husband was actually saying that I could not comprehend. Like, I love this car actually. I love it, Charlie.
I don't work on Sundays.
Serious? Why you not home? Go and get you somewhere else.
I do not work on Sundays.
No, I didn't know.
So
I didn't.
That get because it's already been here.
Oh, okay. So as you can see, this was her now removing my old nails that I had that have grown out. So yeah, it's so efficient, Lendo, the machine that she's using to do this. I actually appreciate a salon and a nail tech that actually has that machine to like remove the old nail polish. And yeah, it was just an easy process. I did not show you guys everything, how she actually because you see my left hand, I still have it in that soaking off the nails after she has done the using the machine to like remove like the top coat or the top part of my nails. But yeah, I decided to go on, and she was then cleaning my nails and putting the top coat, I think. And I decided to go with a black nail color, only because I had white. So I just wanted to do now black. But yeah, she is an amazing nail tech. I actually love her service. I have a video where I have actually put her details in my description box if you do live in the area that I stay into. So yeah, otherwise continue to watch me do my nails. Yeah, thank you so much, my loves, always for watching, and also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, comment down below like I asked you to guys give like your opinions. I would love to hear them. I would love to hear what you guys think, because I am willing to take constructive criticism, and I want to grow this channel. So yeah, continue watching, and yeah, I appreciate you guys so much. Trust me. There's nothing. I would not trade it for anything. Have the best time.
Much later.
I'm back home. I just came back from doing my nails. I did my nails. They look so pretty. I'll show you my toenails too. So I did a mini and pedi. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. I will appreciate that a lot. Personally, I do not think that we would have ezazisu esibanazo ezilalini xa sike ulusu if abamama abalugulula bangahlamba libenje. But that's just my 2 cents. Hey, literally my 2 cents.
One eternity later.
We have something to pick up at a Take a Lot in Alberton, so that's where and my husband are going. I'm not at work today because I'm sure you can tell by my voice, I'm not feeling well, and I am at home. So we're just gonna quickly go. The time now I think is around 2 o'clock, because I just turn on e-radio. So we're gonna quickly go, and then I also need a post note. There's something that I want to post. I just want to take this opportunity, since I'm not at work, to like go do that. But yeah, let's go to Alberton. Take a lot. pick up spot. Yeah. Thank you so much. After so this was us at the Take-A-Lot pickup point. We went to Alberton post office because there were things that I wanted to post, but they could not assist us because there was no electricity. We then decided to go to another post office that is close by, which they were able to assist. Office. This was us in the new market. We just wanted to grab the envelope so that when we get there and they say they don't have the envelopes, we don't struggle. So this was us. I think we went to the Pick and Pay shop and then we got the envelopes and we got something else that I will show you guys, and that is for my husband. But yeah, I will show you the post office. You will see it shortly, the one that we went to. We are in Alberton and we were able to get whiteboard markers, like 2 of the whiteboard markers, and then we got the envelope because yeah, we're gonna go to L Road because they could not help us in this Alberton, so we're gonna try the one in L Road. And then
Yes, a pack of 4 pie, imagine 114.
4.
This is the post office that we ended up going, which was nice because it was empty and it was almost closing time.
So we are in Thokoza because we have a post, a parcel that we have been expecting since the past month or so. So I think it finally is here. So my husband went to get it. I could not go because I'm wearing leggings and I just didn't want to be like, disrespecting and so I'd rather stay here in the car and wait for my husband to come back. But we went to post office and we did what we needed to do, and then we are here now. We're gonna go home after. I was hoping my husband was not gonna stay long. I mean, 10 minutes is gonna be enough, but knowing him also, it could never be him that's gonna stay that short amount of time. So yeah, I'm just waiting for him, and I'm also hungry, and I told him that I'm hungry and I would like us to get home and eat. So now we're just gonna eat supper, dinner. We only had breakfast food, so we only had breakfast food, and his phone here, I can't even call him and be like, my guy, your wife hungry. I can't do that. So I'm just waiting for him here, and then just listening to Umhlobo and then FM. I'm just hungry. Also, I'm not feeling 100% myself, but I didn't go to see a doctor, so I'm gonna go to work tomorrow. And just take it from there. I'll go to work tomorrow, and I'm gonna have medication today again, like I did. I was actually supposed to take ezinye tablets again because it's 3 times a day, but I did not because we only ate once. So I'm gonna eat when we get home, and then we are gonna do And the thing is, he's taking long. And umbalo was 6 because it didn't go the whole day. That's another thing. So anyways, it's been 3 minutes. Ranting to you guys. That's the take a lot order that we went to fetch there. Yeah, I will see you. So this is actually gonna be a weekly vlog. I'm gonna see. I honestly, yeah, it's gonna be a weekly vlog. If it's not a weekly vlog, it's gonna be a vlog that is gonna be there until maybe the 6th of next month. That will be very long because today is the 4th. But I'm gonna see what I get up to, and then I'll post this vlog as one, because honestly I have no plans. I don't know what else. I have no other plans except work, rest Saturday, church Sunday, which you guys have seen me do. Go to church, take you to church, the kind of vibes. So I don't know. But if not, then this will probably be a mini vlog. And this will just be a day in my life while sick, taking care of myself. And that's about it. I'm gonna show you guys the medication that I've been taking and the mixture that I've been taking. But are you okay? All right. A narrow range, don't worry. But if you're not gonna do right, I'm gonna call you out. Period. Period.
Risks of a recession or slowdown in other economies. The US is still.
I'm gonna have a stony with lemons, and I'm just gonna put med lemon, a red disprin, and honey. Looks like it's ugly. It's not gonna taste so good. Yo, shame. I do not want to be me right now. You don't.
A few moments later.
It's not bad. I think the I think the honey made it better. But yeah, thank you for spending this day with me while I take care of myself and sick. So thank you so much, Mala, for spending the sick day with me. I think that's it. I'm gonna have I don't really have like mucus. Is that what you call it, baby? But I don't think I need to have like a cough syrup. Do I need it? I don't know. I am under the blankets, and this is me sweating. It's my husband giving me a look for me, child. Yeah, Just trying to get better. Ngasebloma umseyele ndixele. Phungule baby. Watch. Okay, baby. Good morning, loves. It's like what? What's the time, baby? Good morning, loves. It's like 7, and I'm still not feeling grand. Like last night, I been eating yashona. Yeah, but I'm not feeling too great, so I'm also not gonna go to work. Instead, I'm gonna go see a doctor and maybe get like medication and stuff. To your last night. Yeah, but let me get into a shower. Baby, what are we gonna eat? I'm gonna step into the shower, and then because we think that it gets packed to the doctor that we're seeing today, and it's the first time seeing this doctor, so let me step into the shower. I'll talk to you when maybe we are in the car or by the doctor. So we are done eating, so we just shower, ate, like had breakfast. Ooh. Excuse me. One thing about brown bread and peanut butter, Black Cat peanut butter, chef's kiss. So we are now heading to the doctor, so that's what we are doing. I'm not gonna make it. Yeah, we are going to see a doctor because your girl is not feeling better. I thought I was gonna self-medicate and feel better, but I am not. Yesterday, I'm sure you guys saw the clip where I am like sweating. I was sweating so bad. But yeah, we are gonna go see a doctor. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do, baby. It's so cold.
You guys saw what happened the night prior to this day. I had to go see a doctor, and also just to get a doctor's note so that I can take care of myself and rest. So I am in the consultation room and I am ASL. I don't understand why it's giving weird. Like I have a flu. And you know, but anyways, it's just be their own, I guess.
which is like a good thing because never done one. So I'm gonna close today's vlog here. I just took my medication that the doctor gave me. This is the medication, and I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna take off my clothes and just sleep. I'm still not feeling my best. I'm still very much sick, and yeah. Good night, my loves. I will see you tomorrow. I'm just resting the whole day and taking care of myself, and I'm only going back to work on Monday. So I am off sick this whole week. So I'll probably see you on the weekend. We are probably, or Friday, we are probably going to see my aunt with my sister-in-law. Remember the sister-in-law that you guys saw in my previous vlog? She wants to go see the aunt, so we'll go see the aunt as well, because we last saw her when I was getting married, which was like almost a year ago. So July is actually our anniversary month, and as umchato, but 1st of August is our anniversary month. I mean our anniversary day. Or we're gonna be turning 2 years together on the 1st of August. So we're gonna go see the aunt, and I think she's only off Friday, so that's what we're gonna do. So I've had my medication, we ate, and I've had my medication, and this is my doctor's note. Yeah, that's my doctor's note. I'm only going back to work on the 10th. Yeah. So yeah, good night, my loves. I'll see you on Friday, because tomorrow I'm not gonna pick up the camera, and yeah.
I received the medication. I had the cough syrup and paracetamol and antibiotics, and I don't know what that is, but they really did help.
Hi loves, so it's Friday afternoon, and I think the time is around 2 or 3, I think, but it's like in the afternoon. I'm quickly going to Clicks because there's tablets that I want there, but I want to just check them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy them. I'll decide when I'm there. And then I have to go to Pep. I want a tissue oil, and then I want to go to Checkers. I want to get bread, and I want to get a cereal. So that's what we're gonna do. If you can tell, I'm still very much sick, but I'm so much better than the past 3 days. So let's go to the center. I bought the OT. Bought some snacks, picnics, and then I bought bread.
I was feeling a lot better. I think this was Friday. Sunday, we had to accompany my sister-in-law to go see my aunt-in-law.
Straight. Oh. Garage. So to born into garage right and you left. We are late. We are also solo each open. Andazi ke uyongena phambili uyophakathi andazi ke ngemoto kunyaka kuzakwazi ukwenza
ndingangenela apha ne
asikhweli apha asikhweli sehla
So this was Monday. The next day, this was me actually at work. So on Sunday we dropped off. We had lunch, and then we dropped off my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and we took my sister-in-law with us just to like spend time with us and bond with the brother, my husband, because I am working the whole week. But yeah, they are leaving on Saturday because it's a school opening on Monday, the 18th. So yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching. You guys remember this day. This was Monday, the coldest winter day in South Africa. We were blessed with snow, which was so fun. It didn't come hard where I was or where our head office is or where I work, but it was so much fun. I had to go take pictures and a video just to show you guys, if because I know some people were not in the same province as us. But yeah, it was a beautiful scenario. Like, I was excited. But yeah, thank you so much, my loves, for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment, and just share this video with your friends and your family. I will definitely appreciate the comments. So please do not be shy to comment in the comment section. What would you like me to improve, and what would you like to see more on my YouTube channel? We are growing strong. Love you guys. Mwah. I closed this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching until this far. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to comment. Also follow me on Instagram. It's at Thulisile Kolweni. Also do follow me on my Facebook page. It's also at Thulisile Kolweni. Also on TikTok, it is Thulisile Kolweni. But yeah, I'll definitely see you in my next vlog.